we are going to transform a graph graphically. So we're going to take the information given and just plot some points and move the graph itself graphically. Sketch that. All right, so in this example, the function f of x is given. That's the sketch that I have in front of you. And the question is to find 2 times f of x plus 1 minus 3. And what I do is take what I know about transformations. The first thing I'm going to do is just make my original graph kind of a dotted. So that's the original. And now we're going to work with the transformation. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to deal with that 2. Now, I'm multiplying the function by 2, so it's an output. So I know all of my outputs are going to be increased by 2 or stretched by 2, so away from the x-axis. So really, this is, I'm going to look at the 3 points. 3 points I have here, the point 4, 0, the point 0, 2, and the point negative 2, 0. And if I multiply the outputs by 2, the point 4, 0 stays the same, because 0 times 2 is still 0. The output here is 2, so if I double that, the new output for the same input is going to be 4. And then my other point of negative 2, 0, once again, the output 0 multiplied by 2 is still 0. So now I can sketch in, I know the general shape of my graph, I can just sketch that in. So that's taking care of the 2 in front of the function. All right, and once again, let's kind of make that in the background. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take care of this x plus 1. And we know that when we add 1 to the input, it actually slides or translates the curve left by 1 unit. So once again, let's go back to my points. The point 4, 0 is now going to be moved left 1 unit, so it becomes 3, 0. The point 0, 4 moves left 1 unit, so it becomes the point negative 1, 4. And the point negative 2, 0 slides left. And all other points slide left by 1 unit. So now I sketch that in. And we'll make that a little sloppy here, but hopefully you can see by the different colors what's going on. And we're dealing with the pink one now. All right, so now we're done with that. The last thing is subtracting 3 from the function output. All right, so now we're going to look at that. Subtracting 3, it's subtracting from the output, so we're actually sliding or shift or translating. So slide down 3 units. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use black again for my final. Okay, and once again, pick my points. So the point 3, 0, slide down 3 units. 1, 2, 3, there. The point negative 1, 4 goes down 3 units. 1, 2, 3, there. And then my point negative 3, 0, slide it down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. There it is. And I know that the general shape is that. And this is kind of linear. So that's my answer, just moving it graphically.